Have you ever wondered what radiation actually is? Well, there are four main types of ionizing radiation out there. There's alpha, beta, electromagnetic, and neutron radiation. Alpha radiation is a particle. It is basically two protons and two neutrons bound together, flying around out there. This is a helium nucleus without the electron. These ones are super easy to stop. They can be stopped by your skin or even something like a piece of paper. They're not super damaging if you get exposed on the outside of you, but if you do ingest them and they get inside, that's when they can start to cause some damage. The next one is beta particles, and these guys are an electron or a positron flying around everywhere. These ones are a little bit harder to stop. They can go through your skin and they can actually cause some radiation burns on your skin, but they can still be stopped by stuff like aluminum foil or even just some glass. So these ones aren't super bad. If they're outside flying around, you can wear some small clothing, thick clothing, and they won't get through. But if they get inside you, that's when they really start causing damage, very similar to alpha radiation. The next one is electromagnetic radiation. These are things like X-rays and gamma rays, and these can be really hard to stop. They're kind of like really spicy light if you think about it. They don't have mass, they can zip around through things, and they're really hard to stop. You need feet of concrete or even a really thick piece of lead. This is why when you go to the dentist, they put a lead-lined vest on you to stop the X-rays. These can cause serious skin burns and a lot of damage if you get exposed. The last one is neutron radiation, and these are just neutrons flying around through the air. They have no charge, so they can punch through a lot of things, but they do stop in really hydrogen-dense things such as water, paraffin wax, or hydrocarbons. They can also cause other things to become radioactive. So if you get hit by a lot of neutrons, the blood inside of you will actually become radioactive. They are used to kickstart nuclear reactors. This is how nuclear fission works. And those are the four main types of radiation out there.